Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I'm good.
I'm having a good day, thanks.
Thank you. I am Ahmed. I am from Iraq.
All right, Ahmed. Good to meet you.
Yeah,
My name is Peter.
thanks. Yeah.
My and I am English, but
Yeah.
I live in India.
Awesome.
Okay?
So you like the living there in India?
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, I'm
Uh-huh.
happy.
Yeah, and also you like the spicy food there in India because they use so many
Yeah, but
spices in food, their food.
I have most of my food at home cooked, so I don't have to have spicy. I don't go to restaurants much, and
Yeah.
and I have foreign food, yeah, but I'm vegetarian, so it doesn't mean special for me.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Um,
it's good for your health.
yes, I think good for my health and good for the animals.
No, no offense.
Why, why
Yeah.
not, sir?
If
Give
even
life.
even 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 me, I like to cook vegetarian food like broccoli, carrot,
Yeah,
and potato. I boiling at 100 degree,
yeah,
and after that I put on them some spices and lemon, and it's a good meal.
yeah. But with you said you boil your vegetables.
Yeah.
What, could you not steam them? Would that not be better? If you boil
Uh,
vegetables too much, it takes all the
yes.
good of the vegetable out. So
Um,
you should learn to
uh,
steam your vegetables.
yeah, but you know, when I boil these vegetables, uh, I pick the vegetables, and you know the water I put also sometimes some spices to make a
Yeah.
soup with these
Okay.
with these
Wow.
yeah. So I
Good.
get I get I
Yes.
get two benefits.
Yes. Very much
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good for your
So you
health.
can
Yeah.
yes. So you can share with me your meals about vegetarian food.
Well, no, I'm what I would describe as I'm not a foodie. I
Mm.
like food, but I like it quite plain. I don't really care for too much sauces or anything. I'm quite, yeah, quite plain food for me.
Hmm.
I, I'm, I'm not. Yeah, I like those other foods, but no, living on my own, and it's hot here. I don't want spicy. I don't want thick things. So I eat a lot of salads. You know?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. In every meals you salads. I
No, not
mean
every meal.
dinner.
No, no, no. Because I think but especially in the middle of the day when it's quite hot and you're hungry,
Uh-huh.
you should have
Yeah.
salad or have some fruit if you want
Yeah.
to
I
weight down.
Yeah. I used to eat salad and fruit at dinner only
Yeah,
because
okay.
because at the dinner it's like 8 or 9 p.m.
No, you're
So
right. It is better to
yeah,
eat salad. Yes, you are right
yes,
because
and
you don't sleep on too big a food. Yes,
yes, not
yeah,
yes, yes, exactly. And when you go to sleep, it makes it easy when you sleep, and you have a good sleep.
Should do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what are you doing today? What
Actually,
is?
today, yeah, actually, about food, I will cook chicken
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
oven.
Lovely. Lovely.
Yeah, and I
You
will,
now listen, I
and
eat
I will.
before I eat meat and everything, and sometimes I will, but I'm 99% vegetarian. But if I'm vegetarian because I don't like killing animals, that's all. Nothing religious. Just I like animals. All right. Okay. So
Yes,
sometimes
there's many reasons.
yeah, but
Yes,
sometimes if I came to your house and you had only chicken and you offered me the food, I'd say sure, okay, because
it's okay, no
it's not,
problem.
yeah, it's something I don't want to do. I don't want to eat animals, but I don't have to make a big thing about it. All right, it's my
Yes, I
my
understand
private
your
belief,
reasons.
because it, otherwise you become too religious about it. I don't like it. I don't like it happening. I like animals
Yes,
living, but I'm just me. So yeah,
yeah.
sometimes you could say,
Yeah,
yeah. And when I was
yeah.
younger,
I also
I was
also
always eating meat.
also.
Yeah, all the time till I was about 35, 40. Yeah. So
You eat you ate you also you eat every kind of meat,
basically
beef,
then,
fish,
yeah, when
chicken.
in the 1970s or whatever, yeah,
Yeah,
long time ago. But
yeah.
also,
1970. I think it's a golden age.
yeah, but it's also, the world then and the world now is so different.
Of
Yeah.
course, I know that. But what do you prefer? That age or
No, you
this
can't,
age?
because each one is taken at a specific time of your life. If I
Yes.
look back on everything, I would say
Yes.
the 6 years I lived in the United States and California
Yeah.
was 1974 to 1980 were the most enjoyable times I had in my life.
Yes.
But that was then. I wouldn't want to go back there now. Your life moves on.
Yeah. So
You don't want to be always saying,
yeah.
"Oh, I wish I hadn't left somewhere." No, you move on. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand you. You live the moment.
Well, not close, a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. But when I ask you about 1917, at that age, I mean the memories at that time is it's a good
Oh
memories.
yeah,
I think.
yes, yes, yeah,
Because someone when remember go back 10 or 15 years, we would say in my mind, oh, it's a good memories
yeah,
that I have at that time.
yes. It is,
Yeah.
and best that we have good memories, not bad memories. If we had bad memories of stuff, we'd all be negative.
Yeah, but some bad memories, some good memories.
Yeah, but it's that thing about what sells news. Bad news sells news. Good news does not sell news. News about a
Yeah,
disaster sells. Uh,
it
you
sells.
know, people like to hear about bad news or something terrible. That's
Yeah,
what people are like.
and I'll always remember the bad news.
But it's crazy why we only remember that, because they don't give you much good news, because people don't,
Yeah,
especially in the early days, people just wouldn't buy that news.
Yeah, of course. That's the point. And how long have you been in teaching?
On this application,
Yeah, on Cambly.
on Cambly for 6 months. But before
Oh,
that,
that's
I did
great.
teaching in the local area, but primarily English literature to children for the age
You mean
between
in
12 and 14.
you mean in United
No,
States
here in India.
and India. So you live a long time in India?
Yeah, 14 years now.
Uh-huh. Oh, so it's it's a long time.
Fair time, yeah.
And do you miss your homeland?
No, I left England in 1974 and have
1974.
never lived there
Wow.
since. I visited, I visited,
Yeah.
but I've never lived
Yes.
there since 1974.
So India, it's like your homeland now,
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. I hope forever
and
for the rest of my life
yeah,
would like it to be
yeah.
in India.
And do you have a Indian friends there?
Oh yeah, yes, yeah.
Yeah, I think a lot of from India.
Well, yes, yeah. But there were quite a few other foreigners, and I live by the
Yeah.
beach, and it's good weather.
Oh, yeah, it's good weather.
Yeah, nearly all the time, good weather. And what's your weather?
And I think my weather in the summer is hot and dry here in Iraq because we have a big desert.
Where are you in
So
Iraq?
all the
Whereabouts in Iraq are you?
I am from Baghdad.
Okay,
Yeah. So the weather here it's really warm in Iraq. The degree reach sometimes 55.
wow, wow,
Yeah, it's very hot.
wow. Yeah, and you lived all your life in Baghdad.
Yeah, I live in Baghdad, but sometimes I travel.
What's
I travel
you?
to another countries and go back in my homeland.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah, because unlike you, I am unlike you. I can't leave my homeland because I think I'm connected with my family, with my friends, and
yeah, but
I hope to travel.
you can have both. It's a balance. You don't have
Yes,
you have to you have to, if you wish to do that, you should do it
yeah,
slowly and comfortably. Don't push it. Just relax on it.
yes,
Think about it,
yes. I think
and it happens when it happens. Don't don't
uh-huh.
give it too much pressure.
Yeah, yeah. I
Relax,
think
relax.
that's the way you intended to live.
Yeah,
Yeah. And I want to ask you something.
yeah,
Um,
sure.
I have a YouTube channel, and I used to upload my stations on YouTube to encourage my friends. So I want to ask you, can I share this video on my YouTube channel, if you don't mind?
What, the one we're talking about now?
Yeah, yeah, because many followers of mine they listen to my speaking and learn some new English word. If you don't mind.
Sure, no
Thank
problem.
you,
No problem.
thank you. That's a good conversation about vegetarian food.
Well, yeah, but I mean, they even have people who are vegan, which is even more strict.
Yes, I
Yes,
know about vegan.
and more and more top line athletes in many sports have
Mm.
over the last 2 years, from footballers to Lewis Hamilton to all sorts of different sports people who've gone vegan